Hi, Zari.
Hi, George.
What are you doing? Are you typing a letter? Can you say pop pop?
Papa.
Mama?
Mama.
Dawn?
Dao.
Mike?
Mike.
Aunt D?
Lee.
Jim?
Joe. Joe.
Heather?
Hello.
Rachel?
Rachel.
Lee?
He.
Alice?
I.
Oz? John?
John.
Peggy?
Baby.
Seth?
Dad.
Can you say Daddy?
Daddy.
Mommy?
Mommy.
Can you say love you?
No.
Can you blow kisses? Can you say happy, happy, joy, joy?
Happy joy.
Happy joy?
Happy joy.
Happy joy.
Happy joy.
Can you say Jesus?
G.
Can you blow
Happy
kisses to
joy.
God? Can you say I love you?
No.
Let's see, what else do you say? Can you say anything you want?
What?
Once? Can you say pretty?
Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow kisses.